Hi, folks. We are getting close to the end of our Python training program at CPA Coders. So I really hope you enjoy the courses and are able to code some Python program on your own right now to automate some of your day-to-day work. In this and next few sessions, I'm going to introduce many best practices I believe that are super helpful for your future Python coding. I learned those lessons in a hard way by myself during my many years of being a Python developer. So, and I believe by following those practices, you can avoid a lot of mistakes I have made so far. So with this, please again, make sure you practice those code examples in your VS Code or IDEs you choose, and make sure you remember those best practices going forward. Thank you very much. I will see you next time.